So in this video, I'm going to talk about the last click, first click, and scientific. So we have three different attribution model as of right now. When a customer comes in, let's say this is a customer. All right, when a customer come in, they may click one ad and then a few days later, they'll click another ad. They'll click another ad. They'll click another ad. They will click another ad. And then finally, let's say 20 days later, they'll click on this ad. This is the last ad, and then they buy, right? So this is it. Let's say it takes 20 days, right? So 20 days, 20 day, right? So this first ad they click is a first click. So when you change the attribution to a first click, so it is crediting to this campaign, So these purchases, these unique sales, it came from this campaign. All right. So that's the first click. And when I change it to last click, as you can see, it changed. It's now 78. If you pay attention to this campaign, before it was 69, and now last click, it's 78, right? So it changes the amount and the count of purchases who bought when changes, right? So that's what basically first click and last click is. Who do you want to credit? Okay. Now, the most used, the widely used right now is last click. That's what many people use it at the moment. Okay. But if you want, you can use first click as well. So many people like to use last click, and some people use first click as well. But you can use whatever you want. If you want to see different data, you can do that. Now, something different that we have is scientific 1 day, scientific 5 day, 10, 15, 30 days, right? So in this case, if let's say we have scientific 1 day, what that basically means is that if they bought within 1 day, they clicked on ad, they bought it right away, okay? Then it will get credit to first click, okay? All right. If they bought after 1 day, then it will go to last click, okay? So if I change that to scientific 10 day, if they bought within 10 day, right? Now it's 10 days. Within 10 day, it goes to first click. If not, it goes to last click. Again, if it was 30 days, then if they bought within 30 days, then it will go to first click. If not, last click, right? So in this case, they bought within 20 days, right? So the first click happened and last click was 20 days. So if it was scientific 30 days, right, then it will credit to last click because they bought after, they bought within the 30 days. So it will go to first click. If it was scientific 30 days, it will go to first click, right? But let's say if it was scientific 10 days or 15 days, right? If it was scientific 10 days or 15 days, the credit would actually have gone to last click, right? Because they bought outside of that 10-day, 15-day time period, right? So sometimes people take longer, sometimes people buy right away, right? It depends. And you can use scientific to give credit based on that, or you can just use first click, or you can just use last click. So that's basically what it is and how it works. If you have any questions, let us know and we can help you out. All right.